Alright, here we go. So, we did figure a few things out. Trial and error like everybody else does. We ended up replacing the fuel pressure regulator. And we did find that the injector was not spraying right, but we have a few extras in some old throttle bodies. Found a really good one. We also changed out the ECT sensor, and then we also changed the throttle body temp sensor over here. I'm assuming that's what it is. But yeah, seems to be happier. Reset base time. Seems to be happy with itself. Now it's starting right back up the way it should. Let's see what else this little car can throw at us.